Kahapon naman muling tiniyak ni Pangulong Duterte na kaalyado ng Pilipinas ang Japan sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan sa rehiyon. Makibalita tayo kay Maki Pulido.
Sa pagharap ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, pinanindigan ng Pangulo na masusunod ang desisyon ng Arbitral Tribunal na pumabor sa Pilipinas kaugnay ng agawan ng teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea. Ito'y sa kabila ng pakikipagmabutihan niya sa China. Tulad ng Pilipinas, may territorial dispute din ng Japan sa China at kaalyado ng Japan ang Amerika. Pagtitiyak ng Pangulo, kaalyado ng Pilipinas ang Japan lalo na sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan sa rehiyon.
I thank you for all of these things, the signing of agreements between our companies and the local Japanese investors. But I assure you that we will be by your side and every side in this arbitral ruling. And you can rest assured, and I give you my word, that we will stand by you when the time comes.
At kung tinapos man daw niya ang joint patrol ng Amerika at Pilipinas, tiniyak ni Pangulong Duterte na mas lumalalim ang kooperasyon sa maritime security ng Pilipinas at Japan kahit kaalyado ito ng US.
My meeting with Prime Minister Shinzo Abe was productive and fruitful. We reaffirmed the strong ties between our countries and peoples and resolved to make that friendship and partnership even stronger.
Both Japan and the Philippines are maritime nations, and support to enhance maritime safety capability will be strengthened. I am very happy that we have just signed the documents covering the transfer of large patrol vessels, as well as the letter of arrangement on the transfer of Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force trainer aircraft TC-90s.
Nilagdaan na ang kasunduan sa pagkuha ng mga eroplano at high-speed vessels para sa Philippine Coast Guard. Maki Pulido, GMA News.